Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with EA Sports FC24 where the controller is not working while playing the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the basic step, I completely suggest you to unplug any external devices attached to your system such as any PS5 controller, any external keyboard, any HDD or SSD. Make sure you unplug all the accessories and then launch the game to fix out the issue of FC24 controller not working. Now if this failed to work out, let's proceed to the next step. Right in the EA Play or in the Steam, in whichever application you have installed the games, simply click on the option Play. Now if at this point of time, if you see the controller disconnect, simply press Alt plus Enter key. As soon as you press Alt plus Enter key, this will take you out of the game. Now go ahead, again go back to the game screen. Hit the Enter key. Now go ahead and try to play the game and check if the controller is started working or not. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. If you are playing the game using the Steam, open up your Steam, right click on your game and choose the option Properties. Here click on the Controller tab and here you will find the option of Override for FC24. From this drop down list, choose the option Enable Steam Input. Now go ahead and play the game again. Else, again Properties, Controller and change back to choose the option Use Default Settings. And again try to play the game and check if the controller is started working or not. Nextly is click on this Steam icon and choose option Settings. From here click on the option Controller and whatever the controller you are using, simply toggle on that particular option and let other options toggle off. As it is shown right over here, I have turned on only the Xbox controller. So make sure you only toggle on the controller that you are trying to play FC24. Now if this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Right click on Start menu and choose the option Run. Type here percentage local app data percentage and then hit the Enter key. Here you will find the option of EA Play. Right click on it and choose the option Delete. Nextly is find origin folder. Again right click and choose the option Delete. Once deleted, again open either EA Play or Steam and then hit the play option and hopefully this will fix out the issue of controller not working while playing FC24. If this also failed, I have a simple trick. Go ahead, launch the game. Now at this point of time, simply move your cursor to top left screen so that it is not accessible. As soon as you take your mouse to the top left screen, many users have told that their controller has started working. This is a simple trick, however, fixed for many users. Else, in next step, open this PC. In left pane, click on the option Documents and here open FC24. And here you will find FC Setup. Right click on it and choose the option Open with Notepad. From here, you will find an option of Windows borderless. Switch it from 0 to 1. After changing, click on the File menu and choose the option Save. Once done, go ahead, launch the game and this will completely fix out the issue of FC24 controller not working. And one more thing friends, make sure whenever you hit the play icon, do not press any key of your keyboard until the game starts. As soon as the game starts, your controller automatically started working. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.